Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another how-to video. Now today I'm going to show you how to program a new remote controller to your garage door opener. It is really quite simple. The first thing you have to do is take off the cover that covers your light. Okay, it's that easy. Then you locate the S button, which is right there, and it's the button up the top there. Then you need to decide which button you're going to use for this particular garage door opener. In this case, I want to use the end one here. So all I need to do is press and hold that button down and then press the S button. The light will come on and will flash, and then you can now release the button and this unit should now be programmed. So let's try it out. There you go. Let's press it again. And let's press it again. Now all you need to do is repeat this process with every remote controller you want to work with that unit. It is that simple. Now if you found this video useful at all, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the garage door opener, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.